Up guys, that's the F5 bitch again with you in another new video. So first things first, this is not a financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. This is not a free script. This is a paid script because I spent a lot of time on it. Okay, so this is a Solana volume bot. Okay, which is the most I'm challenging everyone, man. I'm challenging everyone that nobody has a better board than this one, because this is the most latest one, and I have made it, and it's really like literally, if you have this tool, so you can easily rank like from like in top 10 like within no time. Okay, so I'm gonna just start it because I have very low funds in here, so it's just like we are promoting the dog bot here, as you can see here, and I will be just very quick. If you just need this type of script, so just contact me on my Telegram, and I'm gonna give you a lot of information about it. Okay, it has many options, it has many stuffs, so like in each, like there is you have the four options: straightforward, wallet operation, volume operation, token distribution, and assets recovery. So like each operation has a lot of options inside in them, a lot of options, because this is completely like a monster tool, man. So let's continue. So first, wallet operation. So we have already the accounts. I'm not going to generate accounts, and I have these are the accounts. So I'm going to fund them a bit. So first of all, like if you want to generate, so you can generate, and we balances as well. As I told you, there's a lot of options. So if you click here, it's a wallet, like the generated account balance. And if you generate a new account, if you have the old account, so it's going to go to the backup, so backup account balances and all those things. Okay, and I'm not going to cover in this video because this video is going to be very lengthy. So we're gonna just like fund accounts, and I'm gonna just fund to each account 0.01, and it's done. So let's check it out, the balance again, and yeah, fine, that's funded right now. So let's quickly start it because I'm just using this tool. I'm using this tool on this token, and you can use, like literally you can use on any token because it's supporting all those exchanges. I'm not going to explain it because it's written out there. So yeah, let's go to the volume operation. So first of all, send volume, which is a static one, and you can also just like buy, send holders, and then sell them. Like you have all these options, and human trading mode and market making. So of course it's going to increase your makers, and return to main menu. Okay, so first things first, let's start with this one. So send volume. Okay, and I'm gonna just say 0.001 and 0.002. So that's fine one. So I'm gonna start with it, and the cycle is gonna be just like a 2. So for example this is second less, I will just say 3. But before starting this one, so I'm gonna explain about the cycle. What is cycle? So we have 3 counts, and in 3 counts is gonna do the 3 buys and 3 sells. That's your cycle 1. 3 buys, 3 sells. That's going to be a cycle 2. So we have the cycle 2, we have put the 2 cycles, so it's going to stop after 2 cycles. Okay, so literally if you are using on your project, so you can just do like 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, whatever you like. Okay, and of course it's gonna cost some gas fee, so make sure you have enough. So fine, let's start. Like I'm just putting the delay between like each cycle 3 seconds. So let's start it. So cycle one is started right now. So done, and now it's selling. So let's see. It's done, sell, and cycle 2, buy. Okay, that's done. We are going to be way quicker because I don't want to waste your time, because I want you to watch all the complete video in no time. So yes, it's done, and as you can see, as I said, it was 2 cycles. Okay, and first 3 cells, buy and sells, and this is the second one, and done. Okay, 2 cycles. And now let's do the volume operation, second operation. Like there is a lot of operations, so man, send holder. So we're gonna send holder. Okay, 3, and we're gonna say you can just also do the similar thing in here, but it's gonna only buy, it's not gonna sell. So we will say 1. Okay, and this is also needing for the human trading mode, because human trading mode actually is like every account must have some balance. Okay, and I'm gonna explain the human trading mode once we go there. So let's do 0.0001, 0.0002, so it should be also random. So okay, it's gonna buy only. So right now this is like a sending holder. So let's say if you generate like 1000 wallets, 2000 wallets, and you just want to just like send the buyers, so you can just do it. Literally you can do it. Okay, and done. So we have the 3 buyers right now. The one will appear right now in no time. Baby, come appear, come appear, come appear. It's gonna appear no matter what. It's gonna appear. Yeah, it's a pair here. Yes, I'm always faster than these people. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna explain you the human trading mode. The human trading mode is a simply basically because this was very static, like nobody like it. So we are gonna do like something like that. We will use a probability. So first of all, it's gonna do like something like this. Like it's gonna do everything randomly, but this is something I'm going to give you an explanation. Okay, so example. So 1 buy, 3 sales, 4 buys, 2 sales, like this. It's going to be very zigzag, like a very different pattern, and maybe sometime using like a different accounts. It's not going to be like that. This is going to be first, second, third. It's going to be just random, completely random. Okay, so let's do the human mode, because for human mode, first of all, you have to send holder, because these account must have some tokens. And if those accounts are not having a tokens, and if it's sending a sell, so those accounts will be empty, so there will be a transaction failure. So let's do the human trading. So let's say how many total trades we are going to execute. So we will say 10, and the probability I will choose as for the buyer, for the higher probability of buys, so I will just say 0.7. Okay, because below 0.5 they're going to be just like, let's say 0.5, so 50% buy and 50% sell. And let's say 0.4, so it's going to be just like 60% sell and 40% buy. Okay, so below 0.5 there is going to be the higher probability for sells, and below 0.5 it's going to be the high probability for buys, and it's total 1. Okay, so 0 1 here, as you can see here. So let's say 0.7, so the buyer, we want like the buyer should be more than sells, so let's say 70% buys and 30% sells. So let's see, we will do the similar amounts, and 0.02. Okay, fine. And the delay should be like let's say 5 seconds each transaction. So let's see. Okay, look, it has started selling, you can see here. And right now let's see what it's going to do. Okay, it's bought. You see right now it's completely random. Right now it's sold and bought, and now just see, it has bought again, as you can see. So these things are going on right now. Maybe it can be sell, it can be buy, but it's depend on like the probability. So what is going to pick. So you can see here again buy, and right now let's see, it's bought again, as you can see. Before it was so static, right now it's not static anymore, because it's doing very legitly, like a very humanly mode. Right now 1 sell, look at this, and you can see on the chart as well. So 2 souls, and you can see here. So right now it's gonna do its magic. It's just like doing its game. So right now 3 cells. Of course we have the 10, so it's just like 10 trades, so it's gonna give us. But you can just literally do like 1000, 3000, 4000. It's up to you. And yeah, right now we have 4 cells and 6 trades, so it's probably it's actually give us 60% at the moment right now. So it's not a big deal. Literally, like it's working for on your mind, that how it's gonna work. Okay, and it's also just doing everything very automatic. So as you see, it's not picking like all the time different accounts, and just picking like very randomly. So this is also done the human trading modes, and right now we're gonna just do the last options, and we're gonna just say that sell option, because that was the remain one. And of course sell, and let's say whatever the tokens left, so I'm gonna sell 100%. I have the option from 1% to 100%, so it's up to me. So now see, It's gonna sell. Okay, so it's done. Basically it's done right now. And right now I'm going to just send all the balance to this account, my master account. So for, and I'm gonna save primary accounts. So fine, and tipping is just like blah blah blah. Done. Tippings are done. And now just let's check it out. Yeah, I got it. I got it, as you can see here. And right now it's just like still some, maybe like in a row, but it's gonna come, so it's not a big deal. So right now it's just like the last function I'm going to present here is the market making. Okay, so how many makers we have right now? We have 3 makers right now. So let's make it, because I'm not gonna spend a lot of your time. So I'm gonna make it, let's say we need around 6 makers. So 6 makers. So of course, right now once I'm doing, then you will understand. So let's say fifth, how many badges? So we need 2 badges, and in 2 badges we need like every time like a different amount of 6, so it's going to be 3 3. So right now it's 3, so we need 6 more. So like each account, each badge we will use 3 wallets. So let's say one badge we want to create 2 badges, and like 0.01, and per transaction 0.001, 0.0002. And how many wallets I need? So 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6, so 3. So it shall be 5 seconds, so not a problem. Tipping amount, so I will say this is 0.001. Fine, it's doing its job. So now let's see. You can literally make like the seconds is 0 as well. It's not a big deal. And right now it's just starting by from new accounts, and it's going to increase this thing. Right now, as you can see here, we have it. And right now the makers will increase sometime. A deck screen takes time, so it's completely new wallets right now. And now like another batch is going on. So right now another batch is going on, so let's see. Okay, so 5 seconds for the next batch. So now let's see. Okay, so right now it's just like we have new makers right now, different accounts, and it's just like it's gonna up like in no time. So let's wait. Okay, it's sold as well. So right now our badges are done. So we have sent some extra, we have sent like extra, like I will say make it 1 hour, so it should refresh very quickly. So it will turn into 9. So let's see, because these are also new accounts, and these are also new, and these are also new. So right now 6, and now it will take like 9, so 9 in no time. So it will just like sometime it's taking a little bit time, like these transactions should be completely finalized, so this makers just boost up quickly. So now let's see, once this is done, so that will be good. And right now we have to do one thing, and we have to see the balances of these accounts. How many no, it's just like all of them done. And okay, so it's just like some accounts might have some balances. So let's check it out, which accounts are having some balance. Okay, okay, this one was left. Okay, it was left with some funds. So I will just do one real quick thing, and I will go to assets recovery, and I will just say from all, like from all backup and primary, send it to master account no matter what. Man, you have to own us, so we have to do it. Okay, so let's 3. Tip amount should be 0.001. Okay, it's done. So let's 7. It will appear here very soon. So let's see, back for, not yet, still in the wallet. It's not a problem, not a problem. Okay, and let's check it out, the balance again. Yeah, still there. It's just sometime like this one is done, and this one is just, these 2 are left. So yeah, this one is also done, but this one is left, so it will take, because sometimes Solana is a little bit slower. It's just a fucking slow chain, man. So what we can do? So right now it's gonna just refund it to all these accounts. Okay, so right now one more thing is that yeah, right now the makers are 9, and one thing here is just like we have done all these operations, and the token distribution is the airdrop thing, because you need to have a token on a master account, and then you can have just like a airdrop text like what I have here. In here is just like I will just do it like this. Like you have to separate all the words by comma, and just like once you just have some tokens, so then you have to go 3. We don't have any tokens, so I know the transaction is gonna fail. It's found 2 addresses, as you can see. Mint token amount, so let's say 50, and the other one is going to get 100. So between 50 to 100, it's going to send like a random values to all these 2 accounts. So right now, like it's asking me, so can I say yes? So but it's going to fail, I know. As you can see here right now, I don't have anything. And about the funding things, I guess the master wallet is something wrong in here. I did not set up properly. It's sending to a wrong master wallet, I guess, so that's why it's reading like a wrong balance. So I will also fix that one. It's not a big deal. It's a small glitch, but I will just make it through. Okay, so this is done. This is supporting every exchange, no matter if it's a CPPM, CPMM, or a DLM exchange, or whatever. It's supporting everything. It's supporting even FarmFun, Moonshot, Meteora, and like you can literally use this bot everywhere. And this is like a master tool, like you can easily rank up here just like within no time. And the gas fees are too low. It's just like very low, because the tipping amount, it's up to you that how many tipping amounts you're gonna spend. And that's all, because I was trying to cover like this was a 40 minutes video, and I was trying to cover this fucking video in 5 minutes, but in 5 minutes, 5 minutes were not too much, man. Because people must be saying, why the fuck you are skipping things, and why so quickly? So fucking that's why I'm showing you everything very live. If you need this bot, so contact me. I'm gonna create a lot of other bots right now. The next video is going to be FarmFun. So I have also a very good tool for FarmFun, and I have a bundler for it as well, like a volume stops as well for it. So it's just like I have a lot of tools. And make sure watch all my videos, because I have many tools. And if you're interested in something like a new one, if it's not exist on my YouTube or anything, I can make it for you, because I'm a fucking professional blockchain developer since 2013. So please subscribe my channel, and give me a lot of supports, because I'm creating these scripts, because these are the paid script, because I'm spending a lot of time. And my prices are not too much high, than other people, because every, like if you go to the Telegram bots and all those bots, they are charging you like a lot of money every time. And every time like you are saying, oh, we are paying a lot of money there. So my tools are just like open source, because you can get all the entire open source, and you can use it for yourself. You can audit yourself. And if you have any problem in my tools, you can contact me anytime. If you want, I mean, even if I'm asleep, you can contact me. And from now on, right now, my English is enough. My English is finished, because I'm not an English guy, so I can't speak a lot. So it's just like I'm a fucking Arabic, so that's why. And I'm also not Indian, so don't think that I'm an Indian. I'm from Asia, but an Arabic guy. So please subscribe my channel, and give me a lot of support, and I'm gonna give you a lot of things, bro. And I'm going to make you a millionaire, no matter what is the cost. Thank you so much. Bye bye.